Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back on another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the Ninte side skirts for the BMW F30 M Sport 5 doors. So yeah, thank you Ninte for sponsoring this video and sending me this product out. So it came packaged quite well. Got these things there, can you have a look? They were holding this in place, and this is in a wrap. The only thing is the end of the box is quite cut and broken, so hopefully these should be alright. Have a look quickly. I did ask for gloss black, so hopefully we got some gloss black ones. Alright. Trying to do this with one hand is very hard. Almost there. Oh, these are very flexible, I can see already. I guess I'm going to pause the video while I just take this wrap off. I guess wrap is off. Time to unwrap the main thing. Ooh. Wow. Whoa. They are beautiful. Look at that. So currently I do have side skirts on my car, but they are matte black. They came with the car because it's M Performance, but yeah. These are, wow. Gloss black is the color I wanted. Wow, look at that. Amazing, guys. Very good. You got drill points there already cut out for you. More drill points if you want them. So yeah, I'm going to try a higher ramp so I can lift it up and do it, because doing on jack stands is going to be very difficult to do that, because it's going to be on the, it has to be on the jacking point, won't it? Whereas if I use a ramp I can take the old one off and it's easier, a lot easier. So thank you Ninte, I really appreciate it. Wow, look at the quality on that finish. Completely shiny and gloss black, I love it. Let's unbox the next one. So far so good. Check the other one out. So I'll have a link to these in the description with a discount code for you guys, so you can buy some yourself. I highly recommend it, very good. And they came next day actually, it came really fast, which is insane. Alright, they do have other stuff on their website as well, so go check it out. Look how nice these are, guys. Wow, really impressed, really impressed. Thank you Ninte store for sending this out to me again. I'll make an installation video soon, hopefully, as long as I can get a ramp hired out. And yeah, we'll figure out how to do this, guys. But these will make the car look amazing.